August 27th, 2020. As a quick update on what is still a Category 1 hurricane this far inland, and so that's 75 mile per hour sustained winds plus gust. So shout out to all our friends along the coast of Louisiana. You had a 150 mile an hour storm come in. First reports this morning were known 400,000 people without power, and they were still searching for other sections. So the images are showing a lot of devastation to the infrastructure of the power lines. But the storm is supposed to track north, clear our state here in Mississippi, and take a curve up into Tennessee and Kentucky and be out across D.C. set by Saturday around 7 p.m. But it's starting to take a track to the right, and that's going to change the impact because, again, you don't see many Cat 1s this far inland, but it came ashore so strong that it is slowing down. But again, the tracks are taking it, the models, up through Arkansas, and that's the Tennessee-Mississippi border. But it's starting to see a shift, and that's definitely going to affect the weather if it holds the track that I'm going to show you that it's making. And again, your northeast quadrant, pay attention to that. That's the most dangerous. Many of you here realize it, but look in these last frames at the top of the storm. And the rotation, guys, is moving to the right a little more. It's not moving straight up and into Arkansas and then making that turn yet. It's already turning to the right, and that's going to change who gets the worst side of the storm. That's why I'm doing the video. Again, a Cat 1, but behind it we do have another system coming off of Africa that has a 20% chance of development. We'll watch that as it goes on. It's not that strong yet now. They're saying by the time it gets closer to the Caribbean, it would be more conducive. But again, watch for the right turn of this Category 1 hurricane. And again, this was 8 p.m. update. It is now 12:25 p.m. Central Time. So we'll get an update on it, but it looks like, again, to me, that it's tracking a little more to the right. In the red, guys, in the deeper red, you've got either tropical storm warnings on top of hurricane warnings. You've got flood warnings. In the yellow over into our state here, and still in Louisiana and touching Arkansas is yellow. That's tornado watch until 4 p.m. this afternoon. But again, if this curve continues to the right, it's going to affect a different group of people. Some of you in Arkansas will be glad to see that if it continues tracking right. But for all my friends here where we live, pay attention to it, because not only do you have a Cat 1, but you have the potential for pop-up tornadoes, and a direct hit by a tornado is as devastating as any hurricane. If you happen to be in that direct line of one of these things, they hit very fast without warning, unlike hurricanes that we see. Guys, I just wanted to point out, you still have a Cat 1. Watch it, and it appears to be turning to the right. So you guys starting in the Delta, north of Vicksburg and up through that area, keep your eye on this thing. It's a heads up. Be safe.